To make the chord transition become easy, accurate, and smooth, the first thing you have to really think about is holding the chord effectively. Through my teaching experience, people who come to me and have no lessons before or have bad lessons, they just have the habit of holding chords ineffectively. Like, for example, holding A with these 3 fingers instead of these 3 fingers. You know, like I already mentioned in the other video, that musically it's not wrong, but just ineffective way of doing it. The reason why, if I play A like this, I can easily change to A minor just by moving 1 finger and lift up 1 finger. And then if I slide to this fret, and then becomes B. And then if I move from A to E, I just move these 2 fingers up, and this finger is already in that fret, so go like that. Instead of like this, and then like this, it's just way too much work. Same thing with G. A lot of people hold it like this with these 3 fingers. Horrible. Absolutely horrible. Because when you go like this, when you move to C chord, way too much work. Too much work. So I would suggest holding it like this, with no index finger. So 3rd finger on that string, 2nd finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and then pinky on the bottom, so like this. Don't drop your thumb like this, make sure your thumb is stay on top like this. And then when you move to C chord, you only move your fingers down. G, C, G. So when I move to C, these fingers go down 1 string, like that. So it's very effortless. There are some situations that we need to hold this G, like when you play D, for example, and then play G. Like if you play a rock song like this song, for example. You can do that once in a while, but for quick chord transition, if you beginner especially, I would suggest to hold the G like this. When you advance, you can play like however you like. Like you can use G like this, you can use G like this, you can use chord G like this as well. It depends on the situation. But for C G chord transition, I would suggest you to just move these 2 fingers from C and to G like that. Just much easier and efficient. Okay, that's it for now. Keep practicing. Check out my other videos for other lessons. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.